Are you searching for a cookware set that is not only functional, but also healthier for your family? This Carote Ceramic Cookware Set 12-piece may just be the solution you've been seeking. With its non-toxic ceramic coating, induction compatibility, and elegant taupe design, this set promises to make cooking enjoyable, safe, and efficient. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Carote Cookware Set, from its key features to its real-world performance. Why choose Carote Ceramic Cookware? In a market saturated with options, Carote stands out for its commitment to quality and health. The cookware is designed to meet the needs of modern kitchens while prioritizing safety. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, Carote's innovative design and user-friendly features are bound to impress. Key features and benefits. Number 1. Non-toxic and safe cooking. The Carote Ceramic Cookware Set is crafted with a non-toxic ceramic coating, ensuring that your food remains free from harmful chemicals. Unlike traditional non-stick pans that may leach PFOA, PFAS, or other toxins into your meals, Carote cookware prioritizes your health. Free from harmful chemicals, PFOA, PFAS, PTFE, lead, and cadmium-free. Peace of mind. Cook with confidence, knowing your food is safe and healthy. Number 2. Long-lasting performance. Durability is a cornerstone of the Carote brand. These pots and pans are designed to withstand the rigors of daily cooking while maintaining their non-stick properties over time. Scratch-resistant coating. With proper care, the ceramic surface resists scratches and maintains its finish. Consistent results. Delivers even heating for perfectly cooked meals. Number 3. Effortless non-stick surface. Cooking and cleaning have never been easier. The ceramic coating ensures that food doesn't stick, making it ideal for dishes that typically require more oil or butter. Healthier cooking. Use less oil or butter for a lighter, healthier meal. Quick cleanup. Simply wipe with a soft sponge to keep the cookware looking brand new. Number 4. Compatibility with all cooktops. Whether you have a gas stove, induction cooktop, or electric range, this cookware set is versatile enough to handle it all. Die-cast aluminum base ensures quick and even heat distribution. Induction ready. The reinforced base works seamlessly with modern induction cooktops. Number 5. Stylish and functional design. The taupe color adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, making the Carote cookware set not only practical, but also visually appealing. What's included in the 12-piece set? The Carote Ceramic Cookware Set includes all the essentials to cover your daily cooking needs. 1.5-quart saucepan, 2.3-quart sauté pan with lid, 4.5-quart casserole with lid, 8-inch frying pan, 10-inch frying pan, accessories, 2 silicone utensils. This comprehensive set ensures that you're equipped for everything from quick breakfasts to elaborate dinners. Customer satisfaction and warranty. Carote takes customer satisfaction seriously. Every set undergoes stringent quality checks before reaching your hands. Should you encounter any issues, the company offers prompt support and guarantees a hassle-free experience. How Carote cookware stands out from competitors. Affordability. Offers premium features at a competitive price point. Eco-friendly. Made with recyclable aluminum, supporting sustainable living. User reviews. Consistently praised for its performance and durability. Tips for maintaining your Carote cookware set. 1. Use soft utensils. Avoid metal utensils that could scratch the ceramic surface. 2. Low to medium heat. The cookware heats quickly, so high settings are often unnecessary. 3. Proper cleaning. Use a soft sponge or cloth to clean. Avoid abrasive materials. Final thoughts. This Carote Ceramic Cookware Set 12-piece is more than just a set of pots and pans. It's an investment in healthier cooking and a more enjoyable kitchen experience. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, simmering sauces, or frying your favorite dishes, this cookware delivers exceptional results every time. With its non-toxic coating, versatile compatibility, and stylish design, Carote sets the gold standard for modern cookware. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your culinary adventures. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.